Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another method of Python, which is isprintable. So what this method will return, like it will return either a true or a false. So basically it will return a boolean value and it verifies whether the input string or the variable that we are using with this method is printable or not. So as its name indicating that if the thing is printable, then it will return true. If it is not printable, then it will return false. Okay, so there are three scenarios basically. So we will discuss one by one each scenario. So for the first scenario, you can see that I'm storing the string as hello world and then I'm printing it because it would be more clear to you if I print all these things. So I'm printing the string and then we are checking with string one dot is printable method whether it is printable or not, because here we are just storing the character, so it should print it, right? It should get printed. So it is printing and then we are checking and it should return output true. So let's check. For that I will write Python on my terminal, and with my program name is session38.py, and if I hit enter here, it returns these values. So you can see the first value is hello world, which is coming from line number 9, and then we are getting true because this is printable. You can see it, right? Now for the second scenario, you can see that we are storing the string as 1 2 3 4 5 and we are printing it, so it is also printable. We can see it 1 2 3 4 5, that's why it is also returning true. But if in case of third scenario, you can see that we are storing the string as \t, \n and \r, and these are non-printable things because \t adds a tab but there is nothing to show. \n will change the line but there is nothing to show, and \r will provide a carriage return but there is nothing to show. So that's why it is not printing anything, and therefore is printable method is returning false here because there is nothing to print. Okay, so through this method you can easily verify whether the input you are getting is printable or not. If it is not printable, then you can change your program flow accordingly, and if it is printable, then you can perform your further operation as expected. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.